Hello everyone, my name is Natalya, and in this short video I'm gonna show you how throw and trim porcelain and how to prepare your pieces for workshop for applying terra sigillata, and we're gonna fire your pieces in a Hair Raku kiln at the studio. To throw my pieces, I use steel scrapers, a sponge, a needle tool, a piece of leather cloth, a caliper, a mud tool bump, or I'm using my handmade bump to push from inside. I made it by myself by using sponge and stick. Also, you will need wire cutter. Now we're gonna start throwing. I'm centering my clay. Also, I'm gonna speed up a video to save our time, but you can see the process. I open the clay, press the bottom very well for porcelain. Now I'm starting to lift my clay up. I keep wall vertical and the rim of the piece horizontal. With piece of cloth, I'm finishing up a rim and dry it out a little bit with torch so the rim can keep its form. With the metal rim, I'm removing extra clay and moist from the wall of the piece. With stick and sponge, I remove extra water from the bottom of the piece, and I'm using the same tool to push from inside to make it round form. With caliper, I measure a diameter of the lid. I'm throwing the lid upside down. I center the clay, made the opening, and lifted a clay up as I do if I throw a ball. With the piece of leather cloth, I'm pushing inside the foot of the lid. With caliper, I'm checking the diameter. It looks small, so I'm pushing a little bit outside. And now, perfect. From the rest of the clay, I throw a test ball. Please feel free to throw a test ball so we can test all 5 colors. trim a foot, smooth all out with my fingers, and now I start burnishing surface. I hold my metal rim very flat to the piece. For extra smooth, I use glass bead to make it shiny. Trim a lid too and smooth it out as well with metal rim, and making a holes for finishing my piece with wood. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you soon at workshop in the studio. Bye bye.